Vulnerability assessment is a systematic approach to identifying weaknesses in an organization's infrastructure, software, and configurations. By conducting regular assessments, businesses can gain valuable insights into potential vulnerabilities before malicious actors exploit them. Specialized tools are used to scan systems and networks, searching for known vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. These assessments enable organizations to prioritize their security efforts and implement appropriate countermeasures. While vulnerability assessments provide a comprehensive overview of potential weaknesses, penetration testing takes it a step further. Penetration testing, or pen testing, simulates real-world attacks to evaluate an organization's defense mechanisms. Skilled ethical hackers, also known as penetration testers, attempt to exploit vulnerabilities identified during the assessment phase. By doing so, they reveal critical weaknesses and provide organizations with actionable insights to strengthen their security. So, why is VAPT essential for organizations? Let's explore its key benefits. VAPT allows organizations to proactively identify vulnerabilities, reducing the risk of successful cyber attacks. Comprehensive risk assessment. By conducting vulnerability assessments and penetration tests, businesses gain a comprehensive understanding of their security posture and potential risks. Compliance and regulatory requirements. Many industries have specific security standards and regulations. VAPT helps organizations demonstrate compliance and meet legal requirements. Incident response. By identifying vulnerabilities and weaknesses, organizations can better prepare and respond to security incidents, minimizing potential damage, safeguarding reputation. A successful cyber attack can tarnish an organization's reputation. VAPT helps prevent such incidents, ensuring customer trust and confidence. Invest in VAPT today to protect your organization's sensitive information, maintain customer trust, and ensure a resilient security posture in the face of an ever-evolving